Good morning, my dear students. I hope all of you are fit and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your computer teacher, Miss Madhuri from California Public School. And today we are going to start new chapter, lesson number 5, the Internet Web Browser. What is Internet? You know very well about Internet. With the help of Internet, we can do so many things. Yes, we can read newspaper online, we can play games online, we can search any information about any topic, we can do online shopping and so many things we can do. Yes, and what is web browser here? Web browser we will use to access internet. Yes, with the help of any web browser we can access internet, we can use internet. So what is network? Children, suppose your family plans to go out on a vacation to have some change and make fun. The place that is planned is new and far off. Yes, आपकी फैमिली ने प्लान किया है कि आपने वेकेशन स्पेंड करने के लिए कहीं प्लेस पे जाना है. येस, एंड दैट प्लेस इज न्यू एंड फार ऑफ. वो न्यू प्लेस भी है और दूर भी है. एंड नाउ व्हाट विल योर फादर डू टू मेक द जर्नी इजी एंड कंफर्टेबल? He will certainly look out for a map to get a clear idea of the destination and then make the staying arrangements. Yes, and after that जो आपके फादर हैं वो उन्होंने क्या करना है, आपकी जर्नी को ईजी एंड कंफर्टेबल बनाना है. तो वो क्या करेंगे, मैप यूज करेंगे टू गेट क्लियर आइडिया ऑफ द डेस्टिनेशन. डेस्टिनेशन मीन्स न्यू प्लेस वेयर यू आर गोइंग, you want to go. Yes, so likewise you must have observed a monitor in a taxi that guide the route to your destination with voice command. Yes, वो कहते हैं आपने ऑब्जर्व किया होगा जो टैक्सी में मॉनिटर लगा होता है जो हमें गाइड करता है डेस्टिनेशन के लिए. और कैसे गाइड करेगा? विद अवर वॉइस. येस, एंड दैट रूट डिस्प्ले इज नोन एज मैप. और वो आफ्टर दैट जो रूट डिस्प्ले करता है दैट इज कॉल्ड मैप. सो डू यू नो समथिंग अबाउट मैप? What is a map? A map is a visual representation of different locations of a country displayed on a flat surface. मैप क्या होता है? विजुअल रिप्रेजेंटेशन. विजुअल रिप्रेजेंटेशन मीन्स जो चीज़ आपको देखने से ही क्लियर हो रही है. ऑफ डिफरेंट लोकेशंस, डिफरेंट लोकेशंस बताता है कंट्री की ऑन अ फ्लैट सरफेस. एक फ्लैट सरफेस यूज करता है एंड ऑल थिंग्स आर डिस्प्लेड देयर. So it also display the areas connected through network of roads, railways or airways. These networks help us in traveling from one place to another so that we can meet with our friends and relatives living at far off places. Yes, and with the help of this network we can travel from one place to another place. Yes, and we can meet with our friends and relatives. Those are living at far off places, जो कहीं दूर प्लेसेस पे रह रहे हैं. सो नाउ कैन यू टेल मी सम अदर वे टू इंटरेक्ट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स रैदर देन मीट देम पर्सनली? येस, इट इज़ पॉसिबल वाया कंप्यूटर और स्मार्टफोन. येस, अगर हमने फिजिकली अपने फ्रेंड्स या रिलेटिव्स को नहीं मिलना देन वट अदर वे वी कैन मीट with our friends and relatives? We can meet with the help of computers or smartphones. Yes, your computer or smartphone can help you in this task only if it is connected to the respective device to the other end. Just as a road network connect various cities and towns, likewise there exists a network that connect different computers with each other. Yes, and if you want to connect with your friends or relative with the help of computer or smartphone, then there is need of network. Yes, network is required and this network is known as the computer network. Yes, computer network में क्या होगा? So many computers will connect with each other. Yes, so that we can share information. So this network is known as computer network. So now what is internet? When the computer networks are joined together, they form a bigger network called internet. Yes, when so many networks, millions of networks will connect with each other, then they form a bigger network. That is called internet. So internet connect millions of computers around the world. It has revolutionized the whole world and made computers the most effective communication tools. Yes, जो इंटरनेट है उसने टोटली हमारे वर्ल्ड को रेवोल्यूशनाइज्ड कर दिया है, चेंज कर दिया है. Yes, so internet not only contains huge varieties of information but also provide new ways of interacting and connecting with people. येस, विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंटरनेट हम ऐसा नहीं है कि ओनली हम अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ बात कर सकती हैं, या कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर कर सकते हैं, बट इट ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड न्यू वेज ऑफ इंटरेक्टिंग एंड कनेक्टिंग विद पीपल. यस, न्यू वे से हम कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. हाउ न्यू वेज इट इज़ प्रोवाइडिंग? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी कैन डू वीडियो कॉल. यस, means face to face interaction we are doing, so that is also a new way. So now next topic we have, that is history of internet. इंटरनेट की हिस्ट्री क्या है, इंटरनेट कैसे बना? So in 1969 when man walked on the moon, the US Defense Department set an advanced research project agency, that is ARPA, for further research. 1969 में जब मैन वॉक कर रहा था मून पे, यस उसने वॉक किया मून पे, द यूएस डिफेंस डिपार्टमेंट जो था उसने क्या किया, एडवांस रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट एजेंसी को रिसर्च करने के लिए रखा. एंड दे डिजाइंड अ नेटवर्क ऑफ 4 कंप्यूटर्स टू एक्सचेंज एंड शेयर देयर डेटा, एंड दिस नेटवर्क वाज कॉल्ड ARPANET. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, 4 कंप्यूटर्स को आपस में कनेक्ट किया सो दैट दे विल शेयर इंफॉर्मेशन विद ईच अदर, एंड दैट नेटवर्क वाज कॉल्ड ARPANET, means Advanced Research Project Agency Network. This is the full form of ARPANET. So later many universities were allowed to join this network and share the information. So many universities आपस में join हुई और उन्होंने आपस में information share की, and this way of beginning of networking of computers which grew bigger day by day and gave birth to internet, the technology which has radically changed our lives. Earlier, internet was used by only engineers, scientists, and computer experts for research purpose. But gradually, the network was made accessible to private agencies and general public. People started using it for sending messages and files between any 2 computers. Yes, पहले क्या था, जो इंटरनेट था वो only engineer, scientist और computer expert use करते थे. But after that, they have also given facility to the people. Yes, and people started using it for sending messages and files between each other. So in India, internet services started on 15th August 1995 through a government owned company, that is VSNL, विदेश संचार निगम लिमिटेड. Yes, इंटरनेट की जो सर्विस इंडिया में स्टार्ट हुई ऑन 15th August 1995. Yes, through a government owned company, that is VSNL. And this is the full form of BSNL, विदेश संचार निगम लिमिटेड. यस, इस कंपनी ने सबसे पहले इंटरनेट फैसिलिटी स्टार्ट की ऑन 15th August 1995. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट वी हैव कॉमनली यूज्ड इंटरनेट टर्म्स. यस, इंटरनेट टर्म्स वी आर गोइंग टू रीड. So first one we have www, that is World Wide Web. This is the full form of www. www refers to a network of sites on the internet which contain information in the form of text, pictures, animation and videos. And this information can be accessed by people all over the world. Yes, all type of information like text, pictures, animation and videos are present on the World Wide Web. Yes. And so any people can search information, any type of information people can search from the www. So next we have web page. What is a web page? A web page is a digital page which may contain text, images, videos, audios, etc. Yes, web page क्या contain करते हैं? एक digital page होता है जिसमें text, images, videos, audios, all things are available. Yes, and user can download any type of image, video, audio. So next we have home page. What is the home page? It is the first page of a website. Yes, whenever we will open any website, the first page that firstly will open, that is called home page, and it contains the main information about the accessed websites along with the links to other pages of a website. तो ये home page क्या contain करता है? Information about the accessed website along with the links to other web pages or websites. Yes, and we can choose any link to open any website. Next we have URL. What is a URL? To visit your friend's place, you need to know his address. Similarly, to visit any website, you need to know its address. Each website is identified by its unique address, which is known as Uniform Resource Locator, that is URL. The URL of any website is entered in the address bar of a web browser. Yes, for example, अगर आपने विजिट करना अपने फ्रेंड्स की प्लेस पे, देन यू नीड, यस, यू रिक्वायर टू नो हिज एड्रेस. आपको उसका एड्रेस पता होना चाहिए. सिमिलरली, इफ़ यू वांट टू find information on any website, then there is need of URL. Yes, uniform resource locator. Without URL, you can't access any website. Yes, directly you can't access. So, for example, www.cartoonnetwork.com and discoverychannel.com are the URLs of the Cartoon Network and Discovery Channel respectively. These are the URL of Cartoon. This is the URL of Cartoon Network and this is the URL of means address of Discovery Channel. Yes, if we can directly search with the help of URL. So next we have ISP. What is ISP? ISP stands for Internet Service Provider, and ISP is a company which offers you use the internet in exchange for a fee. ISP, what is the full form of ISP? Internet Service Provider. And ISP basically is a company, those are providing internet facility. For example, Jio, Airtel, Reliance. Yes. So these services are providing internet facility to us, and in place, and for using that type of internet service we have to pay money to that company. Yes, and it provides software, username and password to the users in order to get connected to the internet. Some of the popular internet service providers in India are BSNL, Tata, Airtel, Reliance, Idea, etc. Yes, these are the companies, those are providing internet facility to us. Yes, in exchange for a fee हमें मनी पे करनी पड़ेगी. Yes, so students, this is enough for today. So take care students, have a nice day, goodbye.